Hey guys, so today I got this package from my mom and dad, and it was from Momsy. So we're going to open it. And I have the stuff also. I'm so excited. Yeah, so much plastic. A big layer of plastic. We're going to open it. Okay, so after a whole layer of okay, we're done cutting it, so let's open it. Whoa. Oh, it's so cute. Oh. Okay, never mind. I'll just I love how the bubble wrap is in like a heart. The pillow is so cute. Look at it. Hello Kitty. I'm so excited to put it in my bed. So let's open it. Oh, it's so fluffy. Fluffy Hello Kitty. I love Hello Kitty. Oh, it's like a plastic something inside. Okay. How do I get this out? Okay, so we take out all the stuff inside. So let's open it this first. I'm so excited. I'm nervous. Can I use skip? Okay, so after cutting it now, let's open. Oh, it's so cute. Wait. Look, there's a cute sticker here and even here. It's so cute. It's like My Melody and Hello Kitty. Oh. It's the stuff that we ordered. Okay, just wait. Okay, I'm very sorry because the doorbell was ringing and we had to open it. So, okay, like I was saying, there's this cute markers. Like it's Chromie, put chocolate and cinnamon roll. Wait, can I open it? Thanks. So cute. It's like in a Chinese style. How do you open this? Oh, like that? That's so cute. I love it. So nice. Okay, let's put this in the side now, and I'll put it back later. Okay, next, let's open this. Yeah, I want to look at the masking tape. The masking tape's so cute. It's from Pampering. I love the yellow color. There's 3 masking tapes. I love it. I could use it for when I'm crafting. Next is a coin wallet. It's Hello Kitty. I love Hello Kitty. It's so nice. There. Or I could put some of my jewelries or earrings and stuff. Okay. Oh, another masking tape, cinnamon roll. It's so cute. There's cinnamon roll in the middle. I'm not going to open these because it's going to be a mess. So loved. I think this is a. Oh, it says round mirror. I'm going to go ahead and look first though. I wonder how you use this. Oh, it's like that. So cute. I could use it when I'm going to put my lotion and stuff. Next is, what do you call these again? Those mini notes things. I love it. I could use them for school in case I need something. I love the pom pom pudding. It's like a leaf themed, something like that. And cinnamon roll is like a dessert themed. So cute. I love them. Oh, open this cute erasers. It's so cute. I like the packaging. Okay, let's just open it. Oh. First of all, Cinnamon Roll. He's doing his chores, mopping the floor. It's so nice. And for Pom Pom Puring, he's also doing the chores. Even Hello Kitty. It's so cute. I can use them for school. Pretty useful. And then I'm going to open this big one. So first of all, we have this cute pen. I'm so happy. It's so cute. I love the pen or pencil that has something sticking out of the pencil or pen. It's cute. Am I doing it wrong? Okay, I'll just open the other stuff then. Oh my goodness. Wait, I think you can spin this. Oh, the pen. So there's like this puffing, poofy, squishy. Oh, it's so squishy. And Pom Pom Puring with his little friend. Then, oh, I think I should open this later because maybe it's going to be a mess. But I really love it. So cute. Okay, next we have this aquarium game. I think, yeah. And then it has this button, I think. And then maybe it will go out. I think so. It's so cute. It's a notepad. And then
Open?
yeah, if you want.
You want to open? No.
I want to open. I want to show them if it can twist. Like we have this cute scissors. Hello Kitty. I love how it's so pink. It's like my favorite color. I love it. I could use it for something. We have this mother notepad thing. So cute. It's Hello Kitty and she's in her home. Okay, next, like I said, you can twist it, but I don't. Oh, it goes out. See? Wait, you can bring it. Can you take it out? Maybe? Oh, wait. There's stickers. Oh, you can get it out. How do you put it back though? Oh, there's like this open space here. Then I think you put it in. So nice, actually. I love it. Oh, wait, there's stickers. Look, there's so much stickers. First, oh, it was upside down. Wait. So we have this one. Hello Kitty's like sisters and toys and stuff. I love it. I think it's the same with here. Like that. I love it. I can't wait to use these. These are the nicest things. Okay. Oh, we found it. Okay, I'll put it in the safe place for now. Next, we have this stapler. It's so cute. It's Hello Kitty. I can't wait to use this. I've been wanting a stapler. It's so cute. It has the staplers, staples, not staplers. Okay, let's move on to the next one. We have this. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. There's Band-Aids and stuff. I'm so glad I have a Band-Aid. It's because I don't have my own Band-Aid. Okay, I think we have these pens again. Wait, I need to open this one first. Actually, you know what? I'm going to open them later. Maybe it will be messy. Okay. Next, we have this pen thing, I think. I forgot what this is. I think I'll just look it in the video. There's so many stuff right now. Thanks. Oh, the pens are open. Instead of opening it later. So cute. My Melody. Oh wait, I know this. I think this is like the painting and then you press it, then the paint comes out. I think so. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. Okay. Oh. And another one. It's so cute. It's chromy. It's so cute. I think it's the same as my melody. I love it. It's so cute. Okay, let's put this in the box. I'm just going to pour them out. Okay, let's put this in here. Now next we have these cute bandages. Oh, so cute. I could use them when I get hurt. There's my melody. Oh, cinnamon roll. Pom pom puring, kuromi. I love them. They're so cute. Even Hello Kitty is in the middle. I love it. It's cute. Wait, what is this again? Oh, pencils. I'm not going to open them because I don't know where to put them when I get them out of the box. So I'm going to keep it like this. Next is the bag. It's the best part. Yes, it's so cute. By the way, it's magnetic. Oh, I'm just going to get that. Wait. Okay, so I just got the plastic and now here's the bag. It says Hello Kitty and with the Hello Kitty. And it's also magnetic and it has a lot of space. There's also like a pocket inside. I love it. I can put my wallet. I love it. Okay, we're going to do the next one. Okay, so I'm going to do the So, which one am I going to open first? Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by the tail. If it hasn't started, eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Okay, this one first. Yay! So first we're going to open this one. Look, there's a cute sticker, like a birthday. And my melodies. It looks like my melody. Wait. I opened the best one I can. Yay! So cute. It's Hello Kitty. Wait, it's a rubber band. I could use this when I'm going to do like Hello Kitty theme. My goodness. Thank you so much, Mama, Daddy. Mom and Dad. Look, Hello Kitty. She's more fluffier than I thought. And there's a ribbon. It's so cute. I love it. Next one, we have this one. Red version. So cute. Hello Kitty. It is a Christmas theme. I like it. I could use it in Christmas these too. It looks pretty comfy, that's why. I love them. Okay, next, just another coin pouch. A coin pouch, but it's a backpack. It's a backpack. I want to get these. I had some backpacks that are like mini with this, and I have my third collection. Oh my goodness. Yay! At first, the video, I thought it was just a normal coin case, but it was a backpack. Like, it even has the straps. I could use them for my Lalubus or my plushies. So cute. Wait, it has a lot of space for sure. It does? There's something inside. There's something inside. Oh my goodness. What is this? What the freaking thing is this? She didn't even show this. My goodness. It's a pencil case. Look at this. It's cinnamon roll. I love it. Oh my goodness. No way. It's Labubu sticker. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. I could use this for my role play, actually. Wait, is this a book or something? No way. They actually gave me real books. They gave me real books. Wait. It's so cute. It actually gave me some. I've been wanting many supplies and stuff, and then I actually have one now. I'm so happy and grateful. I'm so happy right now. I can't believe it. How did they get these stuff? Amazing. I'm surprised. I'm speechless. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it so bad. Okay. Wait. I want to open this. Wait. I'm literally so speechless. I could use this if I have skincare. Okay, I'll stop because my hair's going to get messy. But I use this first. I'll of course use this if I have skincare. Or if I'm going to put lotion in my face. Next, cinnamon roll. Yay, I have a collection of 3. The first one is just like a frog, which is green, and then I have blue and yellow now. The frog is a chemotherapy, but it's like not really looking like chemotherapy, but it looks like to me. Okay, now let's open this paper soap. In Japanese, it's called kami sekyan. That's what it said in English. So cute. Look, the packaging is so cute. It's Hello Kitty and my favorite color. Look at this. Then if the soap is gone, I could literally use it as a mini storage for my masking tape that I showed you earlier. Wait, I don't want to open it. It won't get messy. And do you see? It's like a flower shape. It's so cute. Even there is pom pom brain. Look, this one there is like green, white, and yellow. Oh my goodness. And they're like flowered shape. Oh my goodness, it's so nice. I can't wait to use these. Wait, these are the clips. The clips. Why is the packaging so cute? Wait, I'm gonna keep the packaging. I'm going to keep the cute packagings. It's so nice. Yeah, I can't open it. Ow. What is this? It's so cute. Wait, this is not a clip for the hair. It's for the papers. Cinnamon roll. I thought it was for the hair. So nice. Next is Boom Boom Ring, of course. They're like good friends. I love it. I'm going to keep that. Okay, next I'm going to open this. A pencil case. A little pencil case of a toothpaste. A pencil case toothpaste. I can't believe it. How is Japan so smart of making these? It says Hello Kitty. Love, cheer, cute, sporty. It's so cute. Warm and cuddly and fun and bubbly. Hello Kitty will make you smile. She'll join you on your big adventure or dress you up in style. Oh my goodness, that is so nice. Nutrient facts. It says net 100 grams. Have a great day, Hello Kitty. Smiles come from the heart. Oh, it really looks like a toothpaste. I could use it for a big toothbrush. If there was, but this is really a pencil case, so how am I going to bring this to school? Maybe it won't get dirty. So I'm going to use it for something else, or sometimes I'll use it in school. It's so nice. I didn't want it to have a pencil case. It's so nice. Wait, I didn't saw this coming. Wait, look. There's a pen and then the erasable thing. It's blue colored. Oh my goodness. Look, it's a nice timetable. And I could write something here like the schedule or stuff. Oh my goodness. I'm going to put this on my whiteboard in my table. I have a whiteboard anyways. Oh, I could poke the holes. I'll do it later. Okay. Wait. Oh, I dropped it. I think it's a black. I'll open it later. It's so messy and I have my nails on. Oh. Put it here for now. Next we have this. The Freakover! Freaking do this. Ow. Gosh, that was so hard to open. Just because I have this whole thing. You know what? I'm going to open it later because they look so special and I don't want to get them dirty. They said this is a hand towel. It looks like a carpet to me. I don't know. It looks like the carpet to me at first, but it was a hand towel when I read it. Oh, there's a mouse pad. Wait. I could use it for decorations instead of using it as a mouse pad. Look at this. I could use this. Wait, I could use this for something. I could hang it in my like closet. I have like a hanger thing. So fluffy that when I want to wipe my hand, I could just use this. Oh my goodness, so freaking adorable. Oh, the plastic is falling. Why is this? Oh yeah, I forgot that. It's beautiful. Look, there's cinnamon roll with apple. That is amazingly cute. I love it. Look, the mouse pad. If I have a computer, I could literally use this almost forever. Such a big plastic bag, isn't it? Yeah, it looks like a cute mouse pad. I love it. Look, his little teddy. So cute. I love it so bad. Okay, I'm just going to put it back. Like that. Oh. And the Hello Kitty. Like that first we opened it. It's amazing. It's amazing. I could use this soap for like at least a week or a month. I'm so glad. This, and this. Okay, and okay, next we're going to open the last box, which is the best one. For sure, it's the best one. And then the tape, it's ice cream. It's so nice. How if I don't get a box cut? Look, Hello Kitty and my melody for sure. There's like this thing. Happy every day. Oh, so cute. I'm always happy every day. There we go. The pouch, I could use it when I put my lotions or important stuff. Oh my goodness. That's loud. The pouch is amazing. Oh, there's the zipper. It says kitty. Take your stuff. Next. Papa Squishy. I love this. I love the packaging. It's a Papa Squishy. I love Papa Squishy. Yay! Oh my goodness. Oh. Look, ASMR. I always wanted to do Papa Squishy. Let me open it if I can. Because I want to feel the real texture of it. It's so sticky. I'm going to open it later or when I'm going to use it when I'm going to pretend shopping. I'm going to do it in my room. It's a bread with Hello Kitty sauce. It's so cute. I love it. Who even made this pen? It's amazing. I feel like probably China. Of course, China's amazingly creative. How did they bought this? I wanted to this pen so bad. Look. It's like, wait. How do you open it though? Is this like, how do you open it? Oh. So nice. If I use this as like an Apple pen, my friends would be like, oh my goodness, is that your Apple pen? And I said, no, I just created it by myself. Wait, they also gave me like this free. Oh my goodness, I needed this. The brush. I like it so much. I'll open it right now. So I'll open this. Look, the bracelets are so cute. I could use this. It's amazing. I love it. I noticed like these like box things are kind of viral right now. I'm going to keep it in the box because it's so cute. Amazing. How did they do this? Like, look at it. Look at it. I love it. How do they have these so much viral stuffs? I love it. A wallet? Of course, it's so cute. It's 3D printed. I mean, not 3D printed. The picture. Okay, let's put a blanket there. Look at the. Like, look at the wallet. I could put like my coins, my money inside. But, oh. And then there's this zipper that you can put your coins or cards. I love it. This is so useful. Everything is useful. Oh, the shiori, like when you're reading a book, then if you have to do something, and then just put this and the page you were actually reading, and when you come back and read it, then you could find the page by looking at the cute picture. Okay, let's open this card case first. I forgot there's more better stuff in the box. Card case. So nice. Like if I have a K-pop card piece, I could put it in here. One of my favorite like guys and stuff, I could put it here. But I don't really have some. But when I have some, I'll obviously use it. Wait, this one's so cute. Like it says good luck. There's a cake. Cute. I would want the cake if I had a birthday. Then the flavor is obviously going to be chocolate or caramel. I love chocolate caramel. Let's get it out. It's so cute. Look at it. It's so cute. This might be pretty useful too. The package. Amazing. Wait, let me put it more there. This one's the cinnamon roll. It's a candy shop. I love it. Donut. It has donut. Candy, but it's really a donut. So nice. It's like a Chinese. It says something in Chinese. I'm not really a Chinese, but I have Chinese blood. Get it out. Oh, I dropped it. Let's put it here. Okay, there. So nice. I love it. I love them both so much. Okay, let's open this. It's a bag. This could be good for like Halloween for sure. Just because I open it like this, I think. Oh. Okay, let me just open it. Now. There's some other stuff inside, which is the nail cutter. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. It has a keychain in it too. I love it. Should I open it? Now later. Here's the another card case. It's amazingly cute. I'm sure China did this. It's amazing. Oh. I have to assemble it. Okay, I'll assemble it. I will assemble it later. The back. And then the keychain. It's so cute. It's so aesthetic. Which one should I open? There's stickers, and I'll open the socks. What was this again? I'll check it later. Ouch. Okay, first of all, pom pom pom. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. Maybe I can. ちゃん、ベースからも選べるスクープマン。ご購入ありがとうございます。いつも見てくれてありがとう。今回はママからのサプライズプレゼント。それではレッツスクープです。小さいスクープは9歳のお祝いです。それではビーズ合わせです。
てプリンのベルトバッグ。マーカーペン、美容キャラマーカーペン、おまけも。フォンスタンド、シナモちゃんのフォンスタンド。ヘアバンド、もこもこかわいいプリンのヘアバンドとシナモちゃんのヘアバンド。爪切り、キティちゃんの爪切り。ブレスレット、プリンのブレスレットとキティちゃんのブレスレット。ミニミラー、キティちゃんのミニミラーとヘアブラシはおまけ。ウォレット、キティちゃんの2つ折りジップウォレット。ハサミ、キティちゃんのハサミ、ホッチキスはマミからおまけ。スクイーズ、潰すのがかわいそうなキティちゃんスクイーズ。シュシュ、もこもこキティちゃんシュシュ2個。カードケース、キティちゃんのカードケース。これはおまけ。ハンドタオル2個。キティちゃんとシナモちゃんのハンドタオル。マスキングテープ、プリンとシナモちゃんのマスキングテープ。しおり、本に挟んで使うしおり2枚。紙石鹸、バッグに入れておける紙石鹸2個。絆創膏、サンビは絆創膏2個。ペーパークリップ、プリンとシナモちゃんのペーパークリップ。キーホルダー、キーホルダー、大きめキティちゃんキーホルダーとプリンのキーホルダー。ボンドロシール、キティちゃんとプリンのボンドロシール。靴下、キティちゃんとプリンの靴下。ミニノート、キティちゃんのミニノートとシャカシャカノート。ミニメモ帳、プリンとシナモちゃんのミニメモ帳。鉛筆、キティちゃんの鉛筆セットと時間割りボード。消しゴム、